Good morning, everyone. In today's video, we will talk about fund flow analysis. See, balance sheet and profit and loss account are two principal financial statements of a firm. These statements provide significant information about the firm to the owner, management, and investors. But these two financial statements are deficient in providing certain useful information required by the management of the firm for decision making. For example, if a loan of rupees 2 lakh had been obtained in the accounting year and it had been paid in some year, thus it will not have any effect in balance sheet. But the information that from where the loan of rupees 2 lakh was obtained and what was the source it has been paid is shown in a separate statement, then it will prove much more significant information to the shareholders. If the objective of a firm is to know what funds are available during the accounting period and for what purpose these funds were utilized, the financial statement fails to serve directly this purpose. But it is important to know about the availability and application of these funds for future planning. Hence, there is a need of preparing a separate statement in addition to balance sheet and profit and loss account, which can provide information about different sources of funds and their various uses or sources of inflow and outflow of funds. Such a statement is known as fund flow statement. The other names by which fund flow statement is known are statement of sources and application of funds, statement of changes in financial position, fund statement. So the notion of fund is described by server accountant in different way. The term funds have different meaning according to interpretation of accountants and accounting approaches. Flow of fund means inward and outward movement of funds of an enterprise. Basically, funds donate to working capital and flow means movement or changes. In this regard, flow of fund encompasses movement in working capital items such as current assets and current liability. Fund flow analysis is the analysis of flow of funds from current assets to fixed assets or current assets to long-term liabilities or vice versa. As we all know, working capital is equals to current assets minus current liabilities. Fund flow statement is basically is a summary report of financial operation of a firm, which brings into light the changes in financial item of balance sheet prepared at two different dates. In other words, fund flow statement reveals the sources from which funds were obtained by the firm and specific uses to which such funds were applied. The effectiveness of financial management in procuring funds from various sources and using them effectively for generating income without sacrificing the financial health of a firm is reflected in this statement. We can describe fund flow statement as a statement of sources and application of funds is a technical device designed to analyze the changes in financial condition of business enterprise between two different dates. As per Accounting Standard Board of ICAI, fund flow statement is a statement which summarizes for a period covered by it the changes in financial position, including the source from which funds were obtained by the enterprise and specific uses to which funds were applied. Thus, we can describe fund flow statement as a report of financial operation, changes, flow and movement of funds. It is not a subsidiary schedule of balance sheet like profit and loss account or appropriation of earnings, but it is a supplementary statement which provides such information which are not available in other statements. Fund flow statement is helpful in numerous ways such as helpful in knowing the sources and uses of funds, suggest the ways in which working capital position can be improved, can be used in planning a sound dividend policies, and beneficial in forecasting the flow of funds and in projecting the capital requirement. It indicates various methods by which funds were obtained during particular period and the ways in which these funds were employed. In simple words, it is a statement of sources and application of funds. Fund flow statement is prepared in 3 stages that include schedule of working capital change, changes in working capital, second, calculation of fund from operation, and third is statement of fund flow. So that's all for today. We will talk more about fund flow statement in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.